In this video, we will be going over the central nervous system organization of the spinal cord. We broke up the elements of the spinal cord into individual pieces where we will go over their structure and associated function. So getting started, we have the cervical region, and it includes the C1 to C8 vertebrae, and it controls the neck, shoulders, arms, and hands. Then we have the thoracic region, T1 to T12, and it controls the trunk and upper abdominal muscles. Next we have the lumbar region, L1 to L5, and it controls the hips and legs. Then comes the sacral region, S1 to S5, and it controls the pelvis, buttocks, genitals, thighs, and lower legs. The internal structure of the spinal cord includes central gray matter, and it's butterfly or H-shaped, surrounded by white matter. And it's very important you remember that gray matter processes information, white matter conducts signals. Moving on, we have the gray matter, which consists of dorsal horns carrying sensory neurons, ventral horns carrying motor neurons, and lateral horns carrying autonomic motor neurons. And this function is for sensory processing, motor control, and autonomic functions. Next, we have the white matter, consisting of myelinated and unmyelinated nerve fibers, ascending and descending nerve tracts. And the ascending tracts will carry sensory information to the brain. Descending tracts carry motor commands to the body. It's important that you guys have this down. And lastly, we have the meninges and spaces, consisting of the dura mater, which is the outer layer, the arachnoid mater, which is the middle layer, and the pia mater, which is the inner layer. There is also an epidural space, subdural space, and a subarachnoid space. And the function of the meninges and spaces is protection and cushioning of the spinal cord, and it also contains cerebrospinal fluid.